Hey guys, and today I'm gonna be doing a video of okay, this is I got it a long time ago. I'm not too sure where I got it from, but this is Fred Flintstone with the tuxedo wind-up toy. And okay, let me just wind it up to show you guys what it does. Come on, can this thing wind up? Okay, here we go. Here, I think I might have to tap it. Maybe I'll wind it up again. Come on, stay still. Okay, well, never mind that. Doesn't seem like it's too much into the... Oh, wow, here's... Hey, look, his feet is walking. Wow, cool. Cool. But, most importantly, look at him in his car. Whoa! In this little Fred Flintstone car. Whee! That's a good one.